Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to blend images or create captivating masked effects in Figma, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to seamlessly mask an image, apply a gradient, and elevate your Figma design skills. These techniques can really make your projects pop, whether you're working on a sleek app interface, a vivid presentation, or just wanting your graphics to stand out. So let's jump straight in and start creating something awesome together. Alright, let's begin by opening up Figma. If you don't already have a project open, you can just start a new file. It doesn't have to be anything fancy at this point. The goal here is to give ourselves some room to play around. Now make sure you have the image you want to use. You can either drag and drop it directly into your canvas, or use the Place Image function by choosing the little image icon in Figma's toolbar. Now that your image is on the canvas, we're ready to mask it. Masking in Figma is like cutting out a specific portion of your image. Think of it like looking at a scene through a shaped window. First, select your image by clicking on it once. You'll see that familiar blue highlight around it so you know it's active. Here, where masking gets really fun, to mask you'll need a shape to act as your window. Let's say you want a circular mask. You can quickly draw a circle over part of your image using the Shape tool. That's the oval icon in the toolbar. Position this shape right where you want the focus to be. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You can always move and resize it later. When you're happy with your shape, hold down Shift and click to select both the image and the shape at the same time. With both selected, head to the top bar and find the Use as Mask button. It looks a bit like a rectangle with a circle cut out of it. Click it. Instantly, Figma blends the two, and now only the part of the image inside your shape is visible. It's a bit like using a cookie cutter, only the part you want remains. Next, we can add some real depth with blending and color. With your mask group still selected, look over to the right sidebar and find the Fill section. Click on Color Fill. It might automatically be set to solid, but what we want is a smooth gradient. Go ahead and select Gradient from the dropdown. Now let's choose Radial for our gradient type. This creates a beautiful circle effect that can make your masked image stand out, almost like adding a spotlight or vignette. Once you pick Radial, Figma adds a new layer of color in a circular pattern, usually going from the center outward. By default, it may add a dark circle in the middle, but you can customize these colors any way you like. Try playing with the color sliders or dragging the handles right on the canvas until the effect feels right. If you want a more subtle blend, use gentle grays or semi-transparent blacks. This can create a smooth fade at the edges, drawing attention right where you want it. And that's really all there is to it. You've masked your image, blended it with a radial gradient, and now have a sleek, eye-catching result. If it's your first time doing this, don't worry if it takes a few tries to get the look just right. Experimenting is part of the fun with Figma. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or there's another Figma trick you want to learn, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials just like this. See you in the next one.